This is the international vactor truck my dad drives for the town of Needham. It's brand spanking new. It's only like 2 weeks old. It's wicked nice. Big, huge flotation tires in the front. Hose. This thing's sick. These right here are the water tanks. There's 2 on each side and there's one big one in the middle. Wicked nice. My dad gets to take this home with him at night. Here's the up on the inside. You get to keep the door open so this gasket right here dries out, or else it'll get messed up. But this is up on the inside. Pretty nice. Back. There's this side. And there's all that emission stuff on it, so it doesn't smoke at all. Runs it like at 220 degrees is the running temp of the engine. It's pretty hot. Show you the inside door is locked, but I'll show you through the window. Here's the inside. The boom. Also, it's like this right here is like a jet truck. You put this like into the pipes and you pull it back out and it shoots water through the pipes and unplugs them. Here's the tube for the vactor. Suck up stuff out of storm drains. There's all the gauges and everything. Alright. Show you up and on this side. Has a pretty cool dashboard, all lights up orange. It's pretty cool. Backup cameras, there's cameras in the front and the back. That's what that is right there. Here's just the inside. I think it's a 2010 or a 2011 International. I don't know. All I know it's brand spanking new and only has like 300 miles on it. It's wicked nice. And that's it. Get you a view over here. This beast. It's wicked nice.